In this video, I'm going to show you how to put security on your Opay app. So there are some people that try to like access to your Opay account, and of course they might be able to withdraw your money and do different stuffs on your Opay account. But for you to be on the safer side, you have to put a security on your Opay app, like 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, and some other security measurement that will be able to secure your account for you. So if you're not the right person that want to open the account, you won't be the account will not be open, or another person will not be able to have access to your Opay account. So what you just need to do is just click on the main option at the on your Opay app right there. So you can see different option right here. You can see security center, Opay USSD. Just click on the security center right there. Then you can see how different options in which you can put a security on your account. You can see on freeze account. Let's say for example your account, your phone was lost and you're trying to protect your account for a security purpose, so that another person will not be able to withdraw the money you have in your account. You can see freeze account. Once the security risk is eliminated, you can unfreeze your account. So if you click on that, then you will be able to lock your money and any other activities in your account, so that nobody will be able to refund your withdraw your money. And also you can report a scam with this option right here, so that another person will not be able to have access to your money. So this is just for this option. If you want to put a security code, for example, to your Opay account, all you just need to do, just click on the settings at the top right here. You can see, then you see security questions, then payment settings, login settings. So there are different ways in which you can actually just select the best one that suits you. But then if you want to put a security question in your account, so that anybody that is trying to open your account, these security questions will be asked from that person, and if that person was unable to provide the answer to that question, the account will not open. So you have to set in a security question for your account. So you can see you have to input your password first before you'll be able to set a security question for your account. You can also set a login settings. For example, you can see right here, login with fingerprint. If someone is trying to log into your account without that fingerprint, they won't be able to log in. And you can also put in a pattern to your Opay account, so that anytime you want to log in, if that pattern is not provided, the account will not log in on the Opay app. So these are the different ways in which you can use to secure your account for Opay.